Hello and welcome to today's video on 10 money rules for financial success. Whether you are just starting out in your career or are well established, it is important to have a sound financial plan in place to ensure that you are able to achieve your financial goals. In this video, we will go over 10 key money rules that can help you achieve financial success. These rules are based on proven financial principles and strategies that have helped people from all walks of life build wealth and achieve financial stability. Start saving early. One of the most important money rules for financial success is to start saving and investing as early as possible. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow and compound, increasing your wealth over time. Pay yourself first. Another important money rule is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments before you pay your bills or make other purchases. By paying yourself first, you are prioritizing your financial future and building a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Create a budget. A budget is a key tool for financial success, as it helps you track your income and expenses and ensure that you are spending within your means. To create a budget, start by listing all of your income sources and fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and car payments. Then, allocate the remaining money to your variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and discretionary spending. Save for emergencies. It is important to have an emergency fund in case of unexpected expenses, such as a car repair or medical bill. A good rule of thumb is to save enough money to cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will help ensure that you are prepared for any unexpected financial setbacks. Use credit wisely. Credit can be a useful tool, but it is important to use it responsibly. Only borrow what you can afford to pay back and make sure to pay your bills on time to avoid high interest charges and damage to your credit score. Shop around for the best deals. To get the most for your money, it is important to shop around and compare prices before making a purchase. Look for sales, discounts, and coupons, and don't be afraid to negotiate for a better price. Avoid unnecessary debt. While some debt, such as a mortgage or student loan, can be necessary and even beneficial in the long run, it is important to avoid unnecessary debt, such as credit card debt or high-interest loans. These types of debt can quickly add up and become difficult to pay off, hindering your financial success. Invest for the long term. Investing is an important way to grow your wealth, but it is important to have a long-term perspective. Instead of trying to time the market or chase after short-term gains, focus on building a diversified portfolio that is designed to weather market ups and downs over the long term. Protect your assets. To ensure that your financial success is not jeopardized by unexpected events, it is important to protect your assets with insurance. This includes health insurance, life insurance, and insurance for your home and other valuable possessions. Seek professional advice. Finally, one of the most important money rules for financial success is to seek out professional advice when needed. Whether you are planning for retirement, starting a business, or making a major financial decision, it can be helpful to seek guidance from a financial planner or other financial professional. By following these 10 money rules, you can set yourself on the path to financial success and build the foundation for a secure financial future.